The first step in making a delicious omelet is to make sure that you have eggs, more than one egg, or else you're really just making a grilled salad. When you have your eggs, make sure that you smash vigorously the egg on the side of the bowl. Make sure all the innards are deposited into the bowl. Perfect. Turn your oven to high. Get butter and get ready to cook. Make sure your butcher knife is good and sharp to cut veggies. And cut those veggies with all your might. They're ready now. Make sure your stovetop is good and hot so your toddler can put his hands near. When you're positive that stovetop is hot, have your toddler grab the raw bacon and throw it into that hot pot. Chef Teo recommends having a pen nearby to mark each and every food item that you deliciously prepare so it doesn't get lost or wind up in someone else's hands. Cooking is exhausting and oftentimes boring. Prepare to take frequent breaks. As a world-class master chef, Chef Teo has earned the right to demand perfection. And when he sees something he doesn't like, he changes it. Add tortillas to any dish for delicious addition. Stir with tenderness and care, as modeled by Chef Teo. Add tortillas, or Master Chef Teo will yell at you with extreme fury. It's time to add our veggies, and they look great. Yummy. Sometimes cooking demands finesse, sometimes sheer aggression. No one knows sheer aggression like the Master Chef, Teo. This pear is delicious too. Every great Master Chef knows that after an intense day of cooking, you might need a diaper change. Chef Teo cares deeply about his guests. That's why you see him cooking a fresh batch of coffee peas. Add salt to the eggs for delicious flavoring. Add pepper to the eggs for spice. Cooking's hard. Time for a break. Shower the eggs in cheese. This bacon doesn't look cooked. That's okay. We're gonna separate it and cook it separate from the veggies. Dump in the eggs and cook, stirring vigorously for about 45 to 55 minutes. All right, it's been about an hour and a half, and the once liquid eggs have now hardened. Chef Teo has just given it one last inspection before serving. Breakfast is served. All right, after about 4 hours of cooking, we are done. We are ready to serve to our guests. Cooking is not as easy as Chef Teo makes it look. It is frustrating, it is maddening. But if you can dedicate your life to the craft, guarantee you it is worth it. Find your good fork, add these two. And some pirate's booty. And your favorite dinosaur. Thanks for joining us this week on Teo's Kitchen. Tune in next week. We're gonna make delicious snow cones.